Everyone, good morning. Let's show you how to take your fairings from your International LT625. I already took the one with the sidewalk, so you get a new truck. Now it's the side here. We got 4 bolts, and there's also inside here there's 4 bolts, and then there's a hook down here. Once you lose all the bolts, you have to lift. I will show you how. So let's do this. You need a socket 13. That's 4 right there. It's kinda, you need a long drive, socket 13. It's stuck right there. It's stuck, it doesn't come in. So we will have to use power. So let's use this one. Got the socket right there. We'll take, yeah, I think this one. Just take this one off. That back. Stick 13 here. Can see the bolt right there? Let me show you. Right there. There's 4 bolts. So 2 there straight, 2 on the. There's a bracket at the bottom, so not far from it. Hard to see with all this. Pause.